Hi, my name is Sunday. In this video, I'll be talking about the things that are included in the new decree that Italian government want to pass that will replace the decree that will be cancelled, which is Salvini's decree. They have cancelled Salvini's decree. Now they need to replace it with another new decree. So things that they have said, all the proposals have not yet come into place until another new proposal, another new bill, or another new decree need to come into place, into law. So the Italian government are proposing, they are planning to pass another new decree, of which will replace that of the Salvini. Then everything will start working out well. Some of the things that are inside the decree has already been made public. So we're going to be going straight into some of the things that will be beneficial to everyone, the migrants, asylum seekers, and also foreigners regarding citizenship and other things as well. But first, if you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and make sure you click the notification bell so whenever I upload any new videos or information, you will know. Now let's get into it. It says, a big step forward, but as the British say, mission is not yet completed. That is, the mission is not yet completed. The last mile is now up to Parliament. So, many people have been asking, Salvini's law have been cancelled. Can they not go to one place or the other? Can they not go to SPRA? Can they not start getting their documents back one way or the other? No. You got to wait. Parliament needs to pass a new decree. The hold on to Salvini's own has been cancelled, has been abolished. Now they need to pass a new one to replace Salvini's own. Inside that new one, we're looking at things that are inside that are beneficial to everyone, that you can benefit from. So it says a new one needs to be passed and it needs to be, is up to the Parliament. It says when converting the text into law, I am convinced that the chambers will be able to perfect some rules. That's Bodrini. So it is saying that when converting all the text, all the bills, all the proposal into law, into decree, is convinced or she is convinced that everything will work out fine. So these are some of the things that are inside the new decree. It says the new decree provides for one, reforming the migrant reception center. Reforming the migrant reception center is talking about SPRA, of which people that are having documents, those ones that are having asylum documents, subsidiary can stay in SPRA, and also the government will also be providing or making available places or camp that the asylum seekers are going to be residing. So it says two, more favorable conditions to apply for humanitarian protection, special protection. So that is it. More favorable condition inside the decree. There's going to be more favorable condition for people to apply for humanitarian. Now it's not going to be called humanitarian any longer, but it's going to be called special protection, meaning anyone that applied that is unable to get asylum documents or is unable to get subsidiary document, then the person will be given special protection. So that's what they are saying. Special protection documents will be given to those ones that are not eligible for asylum or subsidiary documents. So it says, three, possibility of asylum seekers to register as residents with the city council. So that is it. Possibility under this new decree, although they have said it before, the Court of Milan said it before that Como should start registering people, asylum seekers with 6 months sojourner, to start registering them in Como to have their carta de identità, but still some Comos are still yet not doing it. So inside this new decree, when it's being passed, all Comos will be obliged to do residence for people that are having 6 months sojourner. So possibility of asylum seekers to register, to have their carta identità or to register their residence. 4, it says possibility to convert some residence permits, including elective residence, pending citizenship application, calamity, special protection, and others into residence permits allowing work. Possibility to convert documents. So there are some documents that are unconvertible, that you cannot convert into work document. But now, under this new decree, no matter the type of document you are having, you can convert them to work documents. So it says conversion of stay permit to work permit. The new decree on immigration and security also tackles the topic of converting stay permits issued for other reasons into work permits. In addition to the state permit category already eligible for conversion, the decree has the categories of special protection. Special protection, when you are given special protection, you find a job, you can convert it to work document. Then that of calamity as well, elective residence, then acquisition of citizenship or stateless person status, sporting activity document, artistic work document, religious document, and assistance to minors. The most important one, that assistenza minori, assistant minors. The document of assistenza minori, you can also convert it into work document. Before, you can't convert it, but now in this new decree, they will make it easier. Even those that are having religious document, become as a pastor to come and minister, and is having sojourn of 6 months or 1 year just to be ministering as pastors or one thing or the other in Italy, the person can also convert it. If pastor want to go and look for fabrica, he can also use it to work as a fabrica pastor. So that is what they are saying. You can convert it as well. Then the last one, it says reduction of processing time for citizenship applications for naturalization and marriage from 48 months to 36 months, which is the term was raised from 24 months to 48 months by the previous Salvini's decree, from 2 years to 4 years by Salvini. Now, in this new decree, they want to bring it back, but not to 2 years, but to 3 years. From 4 years of Salvini's to 3 years, the new proposal. So that's that of the citizenship application, the processing time. Long before it was 2 years, but when Salvini came, he made his own decree and it was catapulted to 4 years. It has to be 4 years processing time. Now they have cancelled that Salvini's decree. In this new decree that they want to pass into law, they are proposing to make it 3 years, meaning from 4 years to 3 years. So meaning anyone that now apply, the processing time will now be 3 years. Instead of 4 years that Salvini put it, then it will now be 3 years before you can become Italian citizen. So that is what they are proposing. Remember I said many of the things that they want to include into this proposal, into this decree, they have cancelled Salvini's own. They need to replace it with another new decree. When Salvini came, he cancelled some proposals or he cancelled some decree. They replaced it with his own decree that affected many people. In that, many people took many people away from camp. Many of them that were in SPRA were driven away from SPRA. Those that were eligible to be in SPRA under government accommodation, many were driven away. And also those that were having humanitarian was taken away from them. Many right now don't have document because of the law that Salvini implemented. And that law made them to lose their documents, especially those ones that were having humanitarian. Previously, before Salvini came, people were renewing their humanitarian, whether they have job or work or not, they can renew their humanitarian. But when Salvini came, he said they got to renew it with job. And then there was not much job in Italy that people can have to renew their document. So because of that, many are not having documents right now due to that law. Now they are coming back to bring humanitarian back again, or they are bringing special protection, meaning anyone having special protection, the person can renew it the way it was before. Whether you have job or not, whether you are working or not, you can renew your special protection. And for those ones that their humanitarians were taken away from them because they were unable to renew it because they were not having job. So we don't know yet whether they're going to include it into the decree or into the proposal as well, that those ones can be given back their sojourner. No one knows. So we are praying, it's our prayer, it's our hope that they can include it into the proposal or into the decree, that those ones that have lost their documents due to the loss of Salvini, maybe peradventure they might give them back their document. I'm not saying now that they are going to give them back, but I say maybe they might propose it that those ones that have lost their documents under the regime of Salvini might go back to go and collect their document. There might be a proposal like that. We don't know yet. If there's a proposal like that, then it will help many. There are thousands of people that lost their document under Salvini's regime. So I believe if there's a proposal like that, it will help those people to come back on board on having documents. While those ones that are having humanitarian currently or having cases specially that are thinking on how to renew it, and some of them don't also have job currently now, I believe when the proposal is being passed or when the decree is being passed, probably you're also going to start renew your document whether you have job or not. So these are some of the proposals, some of the things we know that are going to be inside the new decree after they have passed it into law. Currently now, they have not passed it. We're still waiting for Parliament to approve it. After Parliament have accepted it, have passed it into law, then all these things we'll be talking about, everything will become a reality. So thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, comment, and also share it to others as well. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and make sure you click the notification bell. So whenever I upload any new videos or information, you will know. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.